Installing your new bamboo shades from Blindster will be a cinch. Let's get started. First, make sure you have these tools handy, as well as all the original package contents. We're about to walk you through a standard inside mount. Begin by holding the headrail against the top of the window frame. With the shades held up to the window, mark your drill holes with a pencil. You'll use the cutout in the headrail as your guide. Then, pre-drill holes into the window frame where you've previously marked for the bracket. Then screw in the screws to secure the bracket. Use the bracket with a 2-inch post to attach the shade to the bracket and secure the shade with a supplied wing nut. This is the completed inside mount. When completing an outside mount, your finished product should look like this. And just like that, you're done. Step back and admire your new and improved window.